So today I'll be showing you how you can see your liked posts on Instagram. So every post that you've ever liked, whether it's just a normal post or an Instagram reel, all the posts you've liked on Instagram, you can find that information in your account. So just launch the Instagram app and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. So if you tap on your profile icon, it takes you to your profile page, and you should see a three-line button in the top right corner, which when you tap on, opens the settings and activity page. Now here, tap on your activity. That shows you all your activities, so all your likes, all your comments, all your tags, and what have you. So you want to select likes, and that's going to show you all the Instagram posts that you've liked. Okay, so by default, it's gonna organize them from newest to oldest. So this is the last post you liked, then this is the previous one, like that, and you go towards the oldest post that you liked on Instagram. Now if you want to, you can rearrange these posts. So for instance, you can change it to oldest to newest, so that the oldest post that you liked comes at the top. Okay, also you can organize them according to dates, so you can see posts from last week, from the past month, from the past year, or you can even set a custom date range to see posts you liked within a certain time frame. So also here you can choose whether you want to just filter the reels, posts, or even Instagram threads if you have them. So that is basically how to see liked Instagram posts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.